Hey there folks, I've got an exciting update for you guys. In this video, I've put together our very own social media platform where we can talk tech. So if you have questions about tech, if you found something interesting that I should look at, or if you have any questions on any of the videos that I'm putting out, either here on Project Ramos lately or on my main review channel, Project Ramos, we can have that discussion there. Now this is the homepage here. If you're not signed up to the website, you'll be presented with this here where you can just hit the register button right here, and that'll take you to the register page where you just fill out some basic information, password, and then once you verify, you'll be able to participate on the website. Now when you are logged in, this is what it looks like here. The community feed will be here. It's empty right now because I haven't posted anything yet, but by the time you get there, I'll have some stuff posted up there. So basically all of your profile information is here, and then the community links are here. That can also be found up here and up here. And also you can access the website through my mobile app, Project Ramos. If you don't have that installed yet, I encourage you to install it. I have it out there for both iOS and Android. So we're gonna be able to do a lot of cool stuff here. As I said, we'll be able to talk tech here, but you can add photos, video, even background messages, and put up polls. So I definitely encourage you to sign up. Accounts are free. There's no ads, none of that algorithm stuff. You're not gonna get a bunch of advertisements or anything like on the other social media sites. This is strictly for us to talk tech. With that being said, I hope you sign up and I will see you on the platform.